Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to delete apps on your iPhone 7 Plus. So let's get started. To delete an app, first you need to go your home screen. When you go to your home screen, you need to select the app. Just for example, I delete Firefox. Just tap on it and hold for a second. When you hold tap on it and hold for a second, a cross marker will open on your screen just like that. Here when you tap on the cross, the pop-up window you can see on your screen just like that. Here simply tap on delete. Okay, when you can see the Firefox has been deleted. And if this method is not working, you should try another method. Go to your settings and then find and select restrictions and turn deleting apps to on your status. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.